Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the absolute first electrical test you must perform right after installing a new 5 kV medium voltage cable. Get this wrong, and you risk major headaches down the line. So, what's the test? It's the insulation resistance test, also known as a megger test. Before you even think about hitting it with high voltage, you need to confirm the cable's insulation wasn't damaged during the pull or termination. A simple visual check for kinks or jacket damage is your starting point, followed by a quick continuity test to make sure the conductors are intact. Then comes the main event, the IR test. You'll apply a DC voltage, typically between 1000 to 2500 volts, between each conductor and ground, and also between the conductors themselves. What are you looking for? A super high resistance reading, ideally in the gigohm range. This proves the insulation is solid. Remember, safety is paramount. Always ensure the cable is de-energized and properly isolated before starting. And once you're done, don't forget to safely discharge the cable to ground. Only after a successful megger test should you even consider moving on to high voltage tests like a VLF or hipot. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more electrical guides. Thanks for watching.